Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm CR Caldwell back with another AI art video for your print-on-demand business. Today we're going to talk about using Midjourney 5, Midjourney 4 as well, perhaps a little bit of ChatGPT to create a new product line or accelerate the product line that you already have and create stronger connections with your customers with high margin sales, and that is selling stickers using AI art. Without further ado, let's get into it. So I've sold a lot of Kiss Cut stickers like we see on Printify here. Printify has basically a lot of different platform product providers under one roof, and Kiss Cut sticker is the one that I've used the most. It is their best seller, and the cost is very low, and you can mark it up quite a bit if you've got nice designs, which obviously we can do now. And sticker sheets, that's another big one. Think about that. You can have a series of designs or a bunch of different designs with a higher markup price on one sheet. Those are very popular today. That being said, I've sold almost exclusively the Kiss Cut stickers, and I'll show you just an example of what that looked like for me. So a lot of times I'm not selling, single unit sales, like one sticker for $5 or something like that. A lot of times I'm selling large batches of stickers. Here's one where I sold 11 stickers. I had free shipping, maybe over $35 or something like that, and I had a promotion running at the time for 20% off. I still made about probably close to $40 US profit on this order, even after all of the discounts. $37 to $40, somewhere in there, if I recall, based on the exact price I paid at cost at the time. So even with free shipping, you'll find that with the markup and the super low cost of the stickers, that allows you to very easily have a low price kind of proposition to your client. If you have a couple stickers that you're selling somebody for 15 bucks, you can do that with free shipping and still make a profit. If you tried to sell a $15 t-shirt with free shipping, your margins can get thin pretty quickly. And you'll find that some of these are easy sales and require less marketing because of the kind of the low competition compared with the t-shirt industry, which is it's so competitive now in some of these niches, and a sticker can be a quick sale. Next, we're going to talk about Redbubble. If you already sell on Redbubble, you're going to be selling stickers almost for sure already. And I've never designed around stickers, but I've sold a lot of stickers just incidentally. They're almost, it's almost a no-brainer to configure them just when you upload your t-shirt art, which is what I sell on Redbubble, t-shirt art. And some of these other products do sell. I've sold about 1,000 stickers on Redbubble for about $1,000 profit, just really incidentally, never intentionally designing a sticker-centric piece of artwork like you could. And I think there's a lot of opportunity there. Redbubble does huge promotion around some of these things with really well-crafted promotional language and kind of ways to kind of make the sale, win back the customer, save an abandoned cart. Some of these different promotions that they have and email campaigns that really give you a hands-off sale. The downside of that, of course, is that you're not going to have the opportunity to sell to a customer with a customized design like you could with your Shopify store or your Etsy store. So that's one caveat. But again, don't put all your eggs in one basket, if you'll pardon the Easter pun. Sell in as many places as you can. Let's just do a quick example here, or a quick kind of show and tell. Using Midjourney 4, we entered the prompt, just a kind of a sort of generic Easter gnome prompt. And we see even a nice mock-up here for a sticker. We could kind of envision how you could get sticker ideas very easily. And just a little disclaimer, I don't sell gnome merchandise. I just use that for my videos, and I probably will continue to do so because I think, gnomes are cool and it's ubiquitous enough. You see them everywhere. That's the stuff being sold, the gnome related stuff. I don't think I'm like giving away a niche or anything like that, and I can talk about it, and it can be kind of almost comically in any different scenario or setting or niche. You can insert the garden gnome. We use the same Midjourney 4 prompt in Midjourney 5, and we get different results, of course. And we see, interestingly, no mock-up in this one, but perhaps, you know, overly detailed design, but you can work with these prompts. With Midjourney 5, one of the things you're going to want to do is use natural sounding language. Just kind of as you would speak a sentence, talk about the design that you want, and you'll find better results. And you can kind of naturally work with Midjourney 5 to develop your artwork and create revisions and things like that. And also they will come upscaled already, so the process is much quicker compared with the version 4. If you want to upscale one of these designs, you know, it's not going to take you, look at that, it's not going to take you like a long time. So I did another one of these, and just, you know, a garden gnome, Easter garden gnome, and an egg, something like that. I don't know. But you can see how you could very quickly get sticker art and even customize it with a single word. Usually stickers don't have that much text on them, so it's pretty easy to customize in Photoshop or Canva or whatever kind of art program you use. Slash settings in your Midjourney command, your Midjourney bar, will give you the settings and the option to switch to version 5. As you can see, we've quickly, like, you know, it takes really no time at all to get the upscaled version of it compared with version 4. You can still use version 4. It still has a lot of uses if you're very used to using the kind of comma delineated types of prompts. And incidentally, I do have a video on using prompts for AI art. I'll leave a link in the description, guys, if you want to learn more about that and find some cool resources about crafting better prompts. I do have a video on that. So I don't want to get too much into the weeds or too granular on this stuff. Leave me your questions in your comments, and I can go into detail about any of the steps in this process or talk more about how it might work with sticker-related AI art business. I do think there are a lot of opportunities, and it's just one of many great print-on-demand AI art opportunities that are out there. So I'm going to leave it there. Like I said, leave me your questions, subscribe, hit notifications if you want to see my next video. I've got a lot more coming up on this theme and a lot of other print-on-demand subjects as well. So thanks again for watching, guys. Take care and good luck in your print-on-demand businesses.